Welcome, today we're going to show you how to add a custom domain in Google AI Studio. So the first thing that you need to do is to actually open the Apps tab in Google AI Studio. After you do that, you need to go to your app. As see, I have a tic-tac-toe from here. You need to actually go to the Publish button, and then you need to go to GitHub section. After that, you need to sign in to your GitHub account. After that, you need to actually save this app into GitHub. So, after you save this app into a GitHub repository, you need to go to Vercel. So, just sign in into Vercel. So, once you are logged in, you need to click on Add New button, and then you need to click on Project. And after that, you need to add this repository that you have added to GitHub. After that, you can just give it a domain, and that's it. Now you have successfully connected your Google AI Studio to a domain. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.